sa resolution. Kasi ang alam ko, after ng resolution, that would be presented to the AGMA for referendum. Tama ba ako? Kung yes or no sila.
Hindi pa po kami umabot sa ganun na level.
Pero aabot tayo sa ganun.
Yes po.
At the end of the day, ang MCOs pa rin ang magde-decide kung matutuloy o hindi.
Yes po. Yes.
So, ibig sabihin, yung inaprubahan ninyo na resolution is within the bounds of law based on your sa ano niyo sa level niyo,
sa functions po ng
sa functions niyo.
Yes po.
So hindi pa sa kasi baka iba yung pasok sa isip ng public na since nagbigay na kayo is good to go na. Meron pa tayong referendum na
Meron
gagawin.
pa po. In po lang po. Yan sa
Actually, you confirmed that nung nakaraang regular session natin ay ano sa AGMA, but unfortunately there was, after this session, I've heard that there was a meeting of the Board of Directors.
Yes, after
Right,
that,
right.
our appearance here, Your Honor.
And there was a member of the board pushing for the approval of that board. Buti na lang natin siya. Am I right?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
I did ask that so that that will be recorded. Kaya lahat ng mga resolution nyo kailangan. My dear friends, people of General Santos and the board, I know this is an alarming one, but let the people decide on that matter. Honorable Jen, may tanong ka? Honorable Yubang, you have the floor.
Salamat, Mr. Chair. Well, surprisingly, no? Wala pang lumabas na audit pero may proposal na agad. So, seemingly prejudice to the member consumers itong ginagawa natin. Ano? Sana gumawa man lamang ng hakbang ang management at ang board para siyasati ang bawat anggulo ng financial statement kung saan nagkamali, kung saan nagkaroon ng problema. Tugunan ang bawat faktor kung saan nagkamali ang Socoteco. My question there is, bakit in-entertain agad natin where in fact wala pa namang ginawa internally ang management and board like cost cutting, Mr. Chair?
Yes, please answer that.
For that matter, Mr. Chair, yes, totoo, merong mga ganun na mga proposal of which was referred to the Board of Directors. And with that, we forwarded it to NEA for their guidance to us. So, yung mga proposals na yun is nagbigay information si NEA for the board on what to do. That's all, Mr. Chair.
Thank you very much. Can I ask Attorney Ivan?
Afternoon, Mr. Chair.
So to summarize everything in relation to the situation of Socoteco and being the representative appointed PS of the NEA, will you confirm that these are the reasons why we are having this kind of predicament? One, yung technical specifications specifically on system loss. Two, the mortuary aid. Three, those power supplies agreement duly entered into by the Socoteco 2 with the power supply. And three, have you heard about the connectivity agreement?
Yes, sir.
Have you heard about the connectivity agreement between Socoteco 2 and Synergy?
Can I, no, not yet, sir. I don't think I'm in a position to answer.
You are a member. Before an agreement would be signed, there must be a resolution authorizing the chairperson, authorizing the, to sign. You should know that.
But hindi po yan dumaan sa...
Kaya I'll give you an example so that you may know. There was a case filed against the Board of Directors of Socoteco 2. Staffa filed in Manila.
Anong year po, Mr. Chair?
yan. There was a compromise agreement. The crime was committed in General Santos. But it was filed in Manila. Dapat sana hindi na sila nag-compromise kasi out of jurisdiction, territorial doctrine yan. Principle of territoriality should be filed where the crime was committed. But there was a compromise agreement duly entered into by the parties. And in fact, the compromise agreement, in fact, last week, dito si the former president,
Toto Bacolna.
Bacolna, confirmed that there was a case, there was a compromise agreement of 100 million pesos. Now, prior to the signing of that CA, merong connectivity agreement. And it was confirmed also by Bacolna that this private corporation paid. Now, kukuha tayo ng source natin dito sa kanila. Ganito yung amount. Pero hindi natin na 5 pesos, 7 pesos ata ang sinabi. Pagkatapos hindi kaya ni Zapoteco 2. 5 pesos na lang ata per kilowatt hour. So ang ginawa ng itong private corporation, ibinenta doon sa ibang corporation at doon tayo pumili. Do you know this?
No, Mr. Chair.
Where is the criminal case? That would be possible. You are the PS. Criminal case, Papa?
Mr. Chair, if you just give me some time to get acquainted with the case. That happened before my time.
I did raise that because that is also one of the reasons why we are facing this kind of problem. Siguro ang ating PSA agreement, onerous masyado, talo tayo. Do you know situation of another corporation in Tulumulok with regards to the preferential rate? Do you know that? Preferential rate given to a corporation.
2 big loads, yes, sir.
Yeah, big
Yes.
loads. Ito yung binili natin sa power supply natin, pero binibigay natin sa kanila mas mababa, lugi tayo. Isa rin na dapat yung tingnan sa inyong audit because these are management issues.
Correct.
So onerous transactions made entered into by the Zapoteco board empowering any person with the power suppliers. So tanong ko po, ito lang po ba talaga ang problema? Other than this, system laws, structural organization natin, ito lang ba talaga ang problema?
We will make sure to include yung observations in the audit. But until then, Mr. Chair, I don't think I can answer truthfully and accurately because the
Based only on you as under President Vega for 2 years, for 1 year. System loss is one of the cause. Second, mortuary. Kung sinabi mo yan,
Apo.
how about the PSA? Because PSA agreements is under review by the NEA.
No,
Tama
they
ba
see,
ako?
but the implementation thereof will happen then.
So are you telling us in the implementing of PSA, doon pa lang papasok si NEA, hindi pa siya during the, prior to the signing in the content of the PSA, hindi sila submit the Board of Directors sa NEA yan for its review?
So the application for approval of implementing the PSA before it can be implemented rests with the energy regulator.
Correct. Before its implementation, NEA should review that. Tama?
It depends kung anong regulatory regime at that time.
Okay, we will speak about the power supply agreement specifically. Before it will be submitted, they will go to NEA kasi tumutulong talaga si NEA to review na dapat talaga pamuriyak parati sa electrico, pero di ba right?
Okay.
So, kailangan talaga nilang i-review. Tama po ba ako?
But again nga sir, even if with NEA review, if walang ERC, hindi na yung implement sir.
Kaya, do not forget the picture of the ERC. I'm speaking of the office of NEA. Because, sabi ko, yung power to review nyo ng lahat ng transactions, ng operation, especially the board resolutions,
Okay, yes.
lies in the hand of NEA. Am I right?
Yes.
Correct.
But it cannot be implemented sans ERC approval. There's no
Yeah, I know. Example, pataas tayo ng rate, tandaan mo na sa NEA, i-review niya, then we will
Not again, sir, again, just to make a correction, we do not involve ourselves with the rate.
review only. Review. Because
Not even, sir.
wala kayo?
It's the ERC function, sir.
I know, when you file it before the ERC.
Not B. It is the cooperative and the suppliers of who
So
file.
hindi kayo mag-review niyan.
The rates,
So
no?
that is the only thing na hindi dadaan sa inyo.
Ang tinitingnan namin, sir, primarily is, was it executed in accordance with the law, depending on what regulatory
So
regime?
after kayo, after
the
the pa,
signing, yes.
after the pa kayo.
Po.
So hindi prior.
Yes, we reviewed the NEA. I just can't remember no mga 2010s siguro, sir, if you allow me, if you forgive me on that one. But ang check ni NEA was the process, was the PSA executed in accordance with the process prevailing at the time it was executed.
Correct, because the power to review lies in the hands of NEA. It's as simple as that. But not the approval.
Minsan nga, lahat ng transactions ninyo, dumadaan talaga, lahat ng transaction ng electric company, dumadaan sa inyo.
Sir, I think ever that.
Now, before we proceed, I would like to inform Honorable Professor Wali, that after our lunch, we will be the one to present. I am very enlightened yung system laws na ginawa niyang study. Na 2019 pa pala, 2019, may system laws na tayo napakalaki, pero parang paano pag-implement yun na maganda ang record ng 2019, 2021 hanggang 23, AAA tayo lahat. Parang niluloko lang tayo. So,
We will give you time, Professor Wali. The rest of the members of NEA will just stay after our lunch. Okay?
Yes, Mr.
the
Chair.
session is with you.
Mr. Chairman, report that.
Yes, Honorable Guy.
Professor Galia of MSU also made a study on the financial statement. She has a presentation, 5 minutes only.
Professor Galia, and that is pro-conversion, Honorable Domino.
Yes, Mr. Chair, that's what I requested earlier, Mr. Chair.
We have a schedule for the conversion, Honorable Galia, on the April 21. But if we have time, maybe we could cater him. But we will stick on our schedule. Today is NEA and the management of Socoteco too.
So
We
we
will
will
just-
begin time when?
Actually, April 21 po sila, but if we have still time today, we will